Ivy, and guess what time it is? Time for Dollar General's Any Day deals. But this day, today, we're going to go in here and do this Dow deal. I'm going to let you do the Dow, see how it goes. Okay, guys, so this is what we're going to look at. The Dow body wash today. Save $3 instantly. It has to be on the one for $7.95 to $8.50, right? So, of course, they early activated it. But this is the thing. So, hopefully that turned into a nice little deal, because when I scan it, it's $4.95 instead of $7.95. So hopefully that $3 applied, making that $1.95. Plus, you'll get back $1.25 on cash back, and you also can get it back on Ibotta. Okay, so that's what I want you to pay attention to. Now, this is an even better one to me. Let me see if the men's work. Okay, so the men's Dow body wash is originally $8. It's on sale for $5, and it has $1.25 cash back. Now, what you can do is you can try that and see if it'll work, and then if it doesn't work, put it back. That's all. See if the $3 work on that. So I'm gonna see one way. I'm gonna do one way with the Dow men's. So I'm gonna pick up this one right here, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna get my $3 back off of that and pay $2 for that big Dow. Or you can do this way. I put this deal together. Here it is right here. Now that's the Dow for $4. It has a $1 limit one cash back. Then it is buy one get one 50% off. So when we do the math, it's 4 times 2 is 8, but they 50% off. So you're gonna take another $2 off of that, make it 6. You're gonna get $1 cash back after you pay out. You get that $1 cash back, take you to 5. Divide that by 2, you'll pay $2.50 each. So that's also a deal that you can do. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. I like this deal regardless, because you do get money back. So, and you get it buy one get one 50% off, and it's my favorite marula oil. So I'm gonna do these on now. I'm gonna do this one and I'm gonna do that one. Okay, so those are the deals for the 7 days of savings. Hopefully they'll honor that clearance of $5. Okay, let's get to our next Any Day deals, guys. Okay, you can do now. I'm gonna do the Liptons. There are 2 for $4, but it's a deal on them. It's an instant savings on them. With the Lipton tea right here, when I went in, I put in 4. See, they honoring that. So you get 4 for $5 or $1.25 each. But let's see what happened when I add 5 to it. Let me see what happens. Okay, so it'll make you pay $7.50 for 5, which we don't want to do that. So pick up your 4 Lipton teas right here. Okay, pick 4 of those up. They are $1.25 each. Now it's honoring the $2.50 instead of the 2 for $4. If somehow you put yours in and it doesn't pick it up, you could try one of these Liptons right here. Okay, do not pick up the Lipton, guys. It did not attach to it. Hopefully that will work. Over here doing the Mountain Dew, they're 3 for $12. They need to be Baja Blast. When I scan it, it shows it's $8.25. Spend 14, save $4, and they're 3 for $12 and 2 for $15. So you know you got to add on to the Mountain Dews, right? The 2 liter of the Baja Blast does attach. That's $2.75 plus the 14, so that makes it $14.75. So you end up paying should be $8.75. I don't want you to get that mistaken. If you don't want that, guys, you can come right over here. The Mountain Dew 3 for $12. Look at this, $17. It took $9 off. That $4 is attaching. It's gonna pay $8.25. Guys, don't forget to come over here to the Mountain Dew single dollar cans right here. Now you could do those 3. They supposedly attaching, but you know this is not set in stone. And then those dollar cans are also attaching. My kids are not getting any Mountain Dew to drink. Let's get to the next deal. Okay, for our Nabisco, you're gonna pick up one of the dollar pack of Nabisco crackers. 1 pack. Okay. Hold that thought. Let's go around the corner to the crackers. And the cracker aisle, we're gonna go straight here to the Honey Maids right here. That is 2 for $8. You're gonna pick 2 packs of those up. When I scan the dollar crackers right there, spend 9, save 3. We're gonna scan the Honey Maids, which are $4.75 each. Spend 9, save 3. Then they're 2 for $8. Remember, you need to make that $9 threshold. So $8 for 2 crackers and $1 for the cookies. Make it 9, take 3 away, make it 6, divide that by 3, and you're paying $2. You're paying $2 for these Honey Maid crackers, guys. That's an awesome deal. Pick those up. If you need crackers, I'm gonna come over because my boys ran out of Velveeta shell bowls. Pick up one of these Velveeta bowls for $1.50. We're gonna scan it. Now scan it, it tells me it's $1.50. It took 24 cents off because it is a part of that deal. Spend 10, save 2. So you're gonna get one of those. Now you're gonna look at the Velveeta shells and cheese. They're 2 for $9. Let's scan those. When I scanned it, they were $10. They took $1.80 off, making it $8.20. They also attached to the spend 10, save 2. Okay, so that's why you need 2 boxes and 1 bowl. Okay, so I'm going to get, the boxes has 4 in them. And then 1 bowl, so I have 9 packs. As of now, this is what we have: the 4 Lipton teas, the 2 packs of Honey Maid crackers, and the 1 Oreo dollar pack, 2 packs of Velveeta, 4 cups, and then 1 single cup. Then you have the Dow that's coming in at $5. It should give us $3 off if they honor that deal today. And then I want the Dow, and plus I'll get $1.25 back. Then I want this Dow right here that's $4. Buy one, get one 50% off. And then I'm gonna get $1 back for 1. Okay, making those $2.50 each. Okay, the apple juices are $4.25, but they're on sale 2 for $5. So I'm gonna grab 2 packs of those. Again, my boys need these to throw in their bags. And my granddaughter swore off of pop, so we'll see. I'll look at the waffles right here. Let's scan them. They are $3.50. They on sale 2 for $5. The waffles are at $2.50 each. And last but not least, it's going to be on the Grand's biscuits, guys. We're going to scan those biscuits. I'm scanning it right here. Okay, they are $3.65 each. It's $1 off too. Whenever you see that plus dot, you have to check mark it. And then they are 2 for $6. So they are 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. Get you those if you need them. All right, now this is my weekly shopping, guys. If you want to see my monthly shopping, let me know. I do a monthly, big monthly haul. It's every month, and then I do weekly hauls. Okay, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Iris Cooper on Camp. Bye.